Welcome back to another vlog. Day 2 shooting in SF. We're at the Legion of Honor right now. Very nice day out. Too bad the museum's closed, but we're gonna get some shots here and then we're gonna head over to Golden Gate Park.
Is too heavy.
He's a chunky boy.
Oh my god, I'm so weak right now. Tell me this just now.
All right.
Ta 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 ha ha ha.
For 3 minutes after learning it, it was good.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go. We just finished walking around Golden Gate Park, went to Stowe Lake, saw the waterfall, which is really nice. We went to the top of it, which in the, how many years I've been alive? 23 years I've been alive, I've never seen it. What'd you think of it?
It was beautiful, but it was kind of hard to enjoy all the way because I was carrying this guy right here. 10 extra pounds walking up all those stairs.
Yeah, you kind of feel like a pregnant woman.
Sounds easy, but it just wasn't.